Hi, I'm Chris from Development. Let's take a look at installing Coronium ChatterBox on DigitalOcean. I'm at the Coronium ChatterBox documentation, and I'm going to go ahead and under Server Install, I'm going to select DigitalOcean. And here is our instructions on how to install a Coronium ChatterBox server. So let's go ahead and jump over to DigitalOcean. I'm going to click Create, and then select Droplets. And from this screen, I'm going to select the 1704 Ubuntu image. And for a size, we can start with the smallest box. And we select our region, so I'm just going to select Toronto. And then we put in our selection for our SSH key. And then we give it a host name. Now for ChatterBox, you can't use the word ChatterBox as your host, so you need to give it a number or something, ChatterBox1 in this case. And then I will put development.com. And then finally we click the Create button to spin up the droplet. Okay, once our droplet's ready, we can copy the IP address here, which we'll use to log into the droplet so we can run the ChatterBox installation software. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and we're going to use a terminal to log in. So open up a terminal here, and we will do SSH root at the IP, and then we'll answer yes to this question. It's going to go ahead and log us in. And once we're here, we can jump back over to the documentation, and if we scroll down to the bottom here, we just did all these steps here, and down here at the bottom by our IP address, we're going to copy this one-liner. We'll pop back over to the terminal and we'll paste this in, and it's going to start running the installation script for Coronium ChatterBox. Okay, once the software is installed, we can go ahead and do a quick test. Let's go ahead and copy this IP address here. We're going to exit out of the box here, and then we can run telnet, which will ping the server and see if it is operating. So port is 7175 for a Coronium ChatterBox, and so we get a response here from the server. It says handshake, and so that is basically means that it's working perfectly. So you would need to connect in with your plugin. And to learn more about how to connect to your Coronium ChatterBox server and some examples, check out the Coronium ChatterBox demo, and you can find a link to that below. Thanks for watching.